Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm really excited because I'm going to unbox something that every planner lover, productivity enthusiast, stationery addict is going to adore. This is the Tiny Change Planner, and if you're somebody who has been on my channel for a long time, you would know that I love these planners. I've been using them for more than 5-6 years now, and they have like different range of planners. And this one, actually, this is their flagship premium B5 sized life planner that basically combines goal setting, habit tracking, journaling, time boxing, everything in one luxurious box. So I'm going to unbox it. Right, let's open it together. And actually, I've already unboxed it. I know what's inside, but I also wanted to show you. um, let me open this box first. And first of all, like, look at the packaging. It's a thick premium keepsake box that you can reuse for years, and it has this gorgeous gold foiling with the quote, "You can do anything." Right, so let's keep it aside. And when you open this planner, you will find um, these two actually booklets, I would say. They also have a calendar. I think that will be somewhere there. And this is actually these are actually, yeah, these are some notebooks. Right, this one is the dot grid notebook. This is actually something that I never liked, but now I've started liking it. This is B6 sized notepad with some tearable pages. Very handy to do, very handy, to use. It's perfect for journaling, it's perfect for, writing your ideas and all of that. Look at this. I really love these actually. You can easily carry them, these are very handy. And yeah, I love these. So let me keep it here. And this one, this is to do list tear off pad. Again, it has motivational quotes on each page, and you can make a to-do list for each day. You can write the date and all. It is undated actually, and I really like these as well. Can very handy for daily to-dos. So I'll just keep it here. And then we have this sturdy poster. Life is a journey, not a destination. I love this. Right, okay, let me keep these here. And then we have the B5 Pro Life Planner. Okay, yeah, look at this. It's big black vegan leather cover, and again gold embossed logo. I really like it. It has lay flat binding. It also has this pen loop where you can keep your pen. And it is, let me see, I think it's undated. Yeah, it's undated, so you can write the date and everything. And so I'll come back to this. Let me show you one more thing. So this is a calendar. Just a minute. This is actually a wall calendar. Last time also when I ordered it, I got it. Right, so as you can see, as you embark on a journey with Tiny Change, here's wishing you all your dear funds, the passion for going behind your dreams and all of that. And if you just open it, this is big undated wall planner. It's this huge wall planner is like 8 times the size of the planner. As you can see, it's pretty big actually, you know perfect for a bird's eye view of your entire year, deadlines, projects, birthdays, anything. So now let's come back to this one. Okay, now let's look at this, what we get here. And usually, they do give you some stickers and all. So they have, this place here. You can keep your notes, important documents and all. And they have, these beautiful stickers and everything. And if we start from the very first page, they always have, first of all, we have, let me just keep these here. And first of all, as you see, they have the full form of tiny change, right? When you open this, and then this is, this is something like the steps and all. The extra information, they have their app also. Then you go to the next page and you can write your name here. And then there is welcome message from them, and they are telling you how you can contact them. You can join their community, online community and everything. And then this is what I love about this planner. They actually tell you how to use this planner in a better way and not to waste your time, right? How this planner is structured. First of all, they are telling you how this planner is structured. See, there are like different sections. If you use this planner, you will find different sections. Actually, let me just go to this side of it because I think the lighting is better here. So yes, right, these are the different sections and they are telling you how you can use these. And then life compass section 1, and see, there is this chart where you can again have a bird's eye view of everything like you want to do in your life. It's really nice. And then you can understand yourself by using these prompts. So they have given these prompts in the beginning of the planner. What do you feel passionate about? What have you always wished for in your life? All of this, you can answer these questions to get better idea how you want to, your life achievements, your dream life, your master list of goals. It's really like it keeps you motivated as well. And I think this year I needed some extra motivation because my life vision board, you can create a visual representation. You can paste your affirmations or your visions here, and then you can understand your core values. I really love these exercises. So they have given these core values, and then there are these exercises also to understand yourself better, and I really like that. And then you can also understand the quality of your current life, like you can rate your sleep, your mind, your relationship and everything. And then what are the key learnings from last 12 months? What have been the key learnings from past year, from last year, right? And then the next section is about goals roadmap, where you can identify your 3 big goals, right? And they have given like the steps, how to identify them. And then you can create a roadmap for all these 3 big goals, because maybe you have 10 goals, but it's always better to focus on the top 3 goals that are achievable with less effort, that will have more impact on your life. And this exercise will help you find out these goals. So first you'll write your 10 goals, 10 big goals with time, impact, effort, and again they have given the steps, you can follow them easily. And this will give you the clarity that out of these 10 goals, which 3 goals are the most important ones. And then based on that, you can create a roadmap for first goal, second goal, and your third goal, right? I've done this exercises earlier also, and I'm telling you, these are really impactful. And then quality of life enhancement plan. So habits you want to develop in terms of your body, your mind, your relationships, your world around you, and habits you want to break, and tiny steps to take every day. I really love these. And then your ideal week design with time slots. What will be your ideal day on Mondays, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday? All of these are really nice. You can check. And then we have, let me see, my ideal day design: morning routine, walk day closure routine, walk day starter routine, night routine. I actually, when I used to, I, like I told you, I've been using, this planner and then other different planners. And I mean, honestly, I think this planner, whenever I used this planner, it gave me more clarity how my life should be, right? So I'm really glad I bought it again. Then there's 100-year calendar, and then mood